Okay, today we're going to start our final drafts of our short story. My short story got deleted, so I just went and copied some dummy text in here, basically. So your page is going to look like this. It's going to have your brainstorming up top. It's going to have your rough draft below. Here I've just copied some text from Batman, if you're wondering what that is. And then you'll have your peer editing, your peer feedback and comments. So what you need to do is you need to really take these into consideration why they told you this. Maybe you think you already have your story is perfect, but somebody took the time to give you some feedback, so please consider it and make the changes. Make sure that you're being descriptive in your writing. And after you've made all the changes, you're going to go up to File and click on New. We want a new blank document. We're going to go to Page Layout, and we're going to set our margins to narrow. And then we're going to come back to the Home tab, and we are going to use the centering button to center. Here you're going to write the title of your story. So I'll just pretend I'm writing Batman. So mine was Batman. And then I'm going to hold the Shift key and press Enter to go down just a little bit. And then I'm going to write by Mr. Finnis. Alright, let me show you what happens if I don't press the Shift key. If I press just a regular Enter and not using the Shift key to press Enter, it skips down an extra space. Okay, and I don't want that. I want it to be very close. I'm going to hold the Shift key again, press Enter, and now I'm going to press Enter again, and you'll notice that I'm still centered. I don't want to center this line. I want to come to the left, so I'm going to click on my Align Left button here, and then what I can do is I can go over to get my story that I've already edited and everything. I'm going to select it all, right click, copy, and just paste it. And then from here we're going to do some formatting. So I want you to select it all again. You're going to use this Calibri font. I don't want you to use any other font today except for the Calibri font for your story's text. You can kick it up to 14, and then we're going to go 1.5 spacing. And now I want to set my paragraphs. So I'm going to go to the beginning of my paragraph and press the Tab key. Come to my second paragraph, press the Tab key, and my third paragraph, press the Tab key. I can come up to my title. I can make this pretty big if I want. I can change the font. If I want to use this as my font. Maybe I'll skip a line. So basically the layout that you're going to use is your text is going to be Calibri, 14, 1.5 spacing. Your title can be any font that you want. You don't want to make it much bigger than this 48. I definitely don't want a title that takes up half the page. So this is about as big as I want you to go. It needs to be centered in your name. And that's just how you're going to set up your final draft.